So, how has this program so far inspired you to consider a role in manufacturing or supply chain?
It inspired me a lot, as I could say. Like I said, I didn't know much about the program, and as I got in the program and started learning everything, and like Malik said, every step that it takes to get in tissue to point A to point B, and everything, it just inspired me a lot from the program, the internship, being here for my second year. It's just a lot, and then I just know it's more to continue on. So I definitely was trying to take this opportunity as far as it can go. Besides, after my 12th grade year.
That's awesome. Malik.
So the program has helped me want to actually take this further because when I first heard of supply chain, I didn't think it was as big as it really is because it's global and everything is supply chain, like the clothes on your back, everything. And since I've already started supply chain in the 11th grade and I've already experienced so many things with it, the internship, the classes, the meetings, actually being able to connect with bigger names, I kind of have like a jump start. So if I was to take this to the higher level, I would know more than the average person. So I'd be able to put my skills really to use and be able to help the company